doing superbly fine in your lives, and so do I. So yes, I know it's been a long time that I haven't made a video. There have been humongous changes in my life when it comes to professional life and personal life. First of all, I got promoted. I guess I have uploaded that video of mine where I have been going through the medical examinations for the promotion. So yes, I got promoted, and the whole year I've been traveling. I've been going to the different branches for different assignments, and now I am a permanent officer as an assistant manager in the State Bank of India. Plus, in my personal life as well, I got married, and there were so many changes, and due to these personal reasons, I was unable to make the video. So it was a brief flashback into my life, as in why I was unable to create a video and upload the same. But now I'm back with the bang, I should say. As you can see over here, a photo from marriage. So yeah, let's get into the video. The topic of today, as you all have seen, it's about the importance of giving the multiple examinations in a row. A lot of my siblings are also going through the different examinations of the banking, and from their experience I got to understand this thing. When I was preparing for my examination, I also have done the same thing. Whatsoever examination was coming out, I was filling the form of the examination and attempting the same. So the difference that I have seen in their life, in their preparation, and in the way that they have given me the feedback after coming out of the examination center. So I thought to share their experience and mine, as in how much this thing is of so much help in your cracking the examination jaldi. What happens now when any examination comes, any recruitment or any notifications come, we tend to think this thing that okay, I'm not yet prepared that much, so I'm not filling the examination. Or a lot of my friends as well are like this कि clerical का form भरते हैं, we are not attempting PO, or we are waiting for the SBI. So this is not so. Whatsoever examination or recruitment or notification is coming up, you should fill the form of that examination. What happens now, I'll tell you a story of my sibling. When he came out of the examination center after giving his first exam of this year, the way he gave me the feedback of the examination was like this कि ठीक गया है, ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं गया है. The next examination that he attended after like 15 or 20 days, I guess, it improved, that feedback improved positively a lot कि ये वाला एग्ज़ाम तो ज़्यादा अच्छा गया है, इससे मैंने अटैम्प्ट भी ज़्यादा किए हैं. And after that, after a few days, again I guess it was the examination of IBPS. So he came and he was like कि हाँ, ये वाला एग्ज़ाम तो बहुत अच्छा गया है, मैंने पिछले वाले एग्ज़ाम से ज़्यादा अटैम्प्ट किए हैं इस वाले एग्जामिनेशन में, और मार्क्स भी ज़्यादा है, and I can see the difference. So what happens is this: when you are attempting different examinations back to back, right, आपका माइंड एकदम फोकस्ड होता है कि हाँ, मेरा एग्जामिनेशन है. So the way you prepare for the examination is so different in the way you are preparing for the examination the whole year. You are back to back revising the same thing, you are giving mock test of the examination, and you are getting used to that pressure of the examination hall, the literal environment that you are getting. So it helps you multifold in getting improvement, and this is the thing only which is going to help you in cracking the examination, because आपके फर्स्ट या सेकेंड एग्जामिनेशन या थर्ड एग्जामिनेशन इतने अच्छे नहीं होंगे जितना आपको फोर्थ या फिफ्थ एग्जामिनेशन होगा. और इसमें होता क्या है, यू आर ऑल्सो गेटिंग टू नो योर सेल्फ एंड यू आर गेटिंग द थिंग्स टू कंपेयर विद, राइट. आप मॉक टेस्ट दे रहे हैं बट लिटरल इन्वायरमेंट आपको नहीं मिल रहा है, लिटरल प्रेशर आपको नहीं मिल रहा है. सो आप जब एग्ज़ाम हॉल से बाहर निकल के आ रहे हैं, यू आर गेटिंग टू नो दी फीडबैक्स ऑफ अदर पीपल एज वेल. So this is going to help you a lot. So whatsoever examination or notification is coming out, whether is it of I remember that I have filled the form of Jammu and Kashmir Bank too, and a bank of South India as well. I gave and I attempted the pre-examination of those two banks as well. So it only boosted my preparation. I understand this thing that the examination fees is too high or a bit high for some people. It depends of the banking examination, but trust me guys, it's just an investment into your future. It's not an expense, it's an investment if you are filling the examination forms. So yes, I just suggest you to fill all the examination forms. I know that a lot of examinations have already been done. तो जो भी लोग अब प्रिपेयर करने वाले हैं तो उनको पता होगा अब से कि हाँ कितना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है डिफरेंट एग्जामिनेशन फॉर्म्स को फिल करना. और अब भी जो आने वाले हैं एग्जामिनेशन, अब सारे एग्जाम फॉर्म्स भरिए. आई गेस the story of my sibling will help you understand how this filling the form and how attempting the examinations back to back is gonna help you. Thank you so much, and I'm also thinking of sharing with you all. And yes, if you have any doubt or any questions, I'll be happy to help you out in that, because I've cracked the examination in a short span of time. So I also had the same kind of issues with me, but I kind of and yes, if you have any doubt regarding the examination, regarding the preparation, I'll be so happy to help you. Just comment down below so that I'll come up with a video of the solution of that question. So yeah, this is it, and best of luck for your examination. Ciao.